In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a shadow to a chart, like a bar chart, in Microsoft Excel. So to do this, I'm going to re-enter a bar chart using the same data by going to the Insert tab, Recommended Charts, and here I'm going to insert a bar chart. I'm just going to go ahead and delete out the one that was there. Now here, to add the shadow effect to the data, I'm going to click and then right-click on the data. And from here, I'm going to want to click on Format Data Series. Now that I am on Format Data Series, I'm going to want to click on this little hexagon right here. And then I'm going to see 4 different options: Shadow, Glow, Soft Edge, and 3D Format. From here, I want to go ahead and click on Shadow. And here I can adjust the preset to adjust the shadow that will be present. So I can have outer shadow, an inner shadow, and perspective shadow. But to kind of recreate the example that was present, I'm going to use an outer shadow, one that offsets to the bottom left, for example. And first clicking on it, you can't really see the shadow very well at all, but you'll be able to see it better by adjusting these settings below. So from here, I can then adjust the color of the shadow, so you can have it be black or gray or orange or whatever color you want. So have it as gray for this example. Then you can adjust the transparency to make it more or less transparent. So for example, if I want it to not be transparent at all, we would to have it just be close to 0. Again, see the size of the shadow. So I can have it be bigger or smaller than the shape itself. Let's see blur of the shadow, which will, as you can see, by making blur 0, it looks just like another shape. But by making it completely blurry, it almost has a weird color effects in the background. We can have it just a few points blur for this example. Maybe make it a little more transparent. Here, I can adjust the angle of the shadow. So as you can see, by moving this, the almost looks like the shadow goes into a small circle. But you can really use this to get the effect that you want on your shadow. And then lastly, I can adjust the distance of the shadow. So how far is the shadow from the shape itself? And I can even adjust the color to something kind of more funky, like green color, or orange, or black if I want to stand out a bit more. They kind of show you what a couple of the other shadows look like. You click on one of the inner shadows, and you can see it kind of adds this cool inner shadow effect. And there are similar options as there was to the outer shadow. I can also have a perspective shadow, which for some reason the default transparency is 80%. As you can see, it almost looks like these shapes are like standing up per se with a perspective shadow. As I said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.